In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in X, Twitter. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to x.com. You will see the familiar layout of Twitter. This is the starting point where you'll make changes to your font settings. Make sure you're logged into your account for the best experience. If you're not logged in, you may face limitations in making changes, so take a moment to ensure that you have access to your account. This will ensure you can customize your experience effectively. Once you are logged in, look to the left sidebar of the screen. Here you will notice several options available for navigation. Among these, find and click on the More option. This is usually located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Clicking on More will expand additional menu options, leading you toward the settings you need. This step is crucial because it opens up access to the settings you need to customize your font. From there, you will see a drop-down menu. In this menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This option is essential for accessing the various settings related to your account. When you click on this, you will be directed to a new page filled with different settings categories. It may look overwhelming at first, but don't worry, you are on the right path to changing your font settings. Now, look for the option labeled Accessibility, Display, and Languages. Click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you customize how you view content on X. It's important to understand that adjusting these settings can enhance your overall user experience. Once you click this option, you will be taken to another page that houses additional display settings. Next up, locate and click on the Display option. This is where the magic happens. In the display settings, you will find various options that allow you to adjust how X appears on your screen. Among these options, you will find the font size slider. This slider is a straightforward tool that allows you to increase or decrease the font size to your preference. Adjusting the font size can make reading tweets more comfortable, especially if you have specific visual preferences. After that, use the font size slider to adjust the font size to your liking. As you move the slider, you will see the changes reflected in real time on the screen. This immediate feedback is helpful because it allows you to find the perfect size that suits your needs. You can experiment with the slider until you find a size that feels just right. Once you are satisfied with your selection, you can move on confidently. With that ready, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message or an indication that your settings have been updated. This makes sure your changes are saved properly. Not saving can mean losing the adjustments you just made. So take a moment to double-check that everything is set as per your preference. You have now successfully changed the font size in X. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your browsing experience. Remember, customizing your settings can help you enjoy your time on the platform much more. If you need to make further adjustments in the future, you know exactly where to go. You should feel confident navigating these settings. Thank you for following along in this video. Happy tweeting!